Welcome back, guys, to another video. What is up? I miss you guys so much. It's been a while since I've filmed a video. I'm so excited to film today's video. I just want to tell you guys how thankful I am. I got a company that reached out to me that wanted me to review their product on my channel today. The name would be Mellowax. They sent me a wax kit and some wax beads and then wanted me to kind of review them and kind of talk about how I felt about them. So I'm super excited. I'm actually not waxing myself. I have a special guest come here on my channel, so stay tuned for the rest of the video to find out who that is. I'm super excited. But if you guys want to see me test out this product, then go ahead and keep watching. Not forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it so much. And if you guys would like to, you guys can go ahead and smash that like button. It just helps me out a ton. And another thing I wanted to mention really quickly was if you guys are big shoppers, you guys shop online, I would highly recommend a app on your phone. It's called Ebates. You actually get money back for shopping. I've actually gotten a couple paychecks from Ebates, and you can also earn money for referring people and signing up through your link. It is free, and you actually get a free $10 when you join. So if you guys are big shoppers like on Amazon and stuff like me, definitely go down in my description and check that out. You guys will not regret it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. It shouldn't hurt.
Have you been recording this whole time?
Have you been waxed before?
No, but have you been recording the whole time?
No.
Oh.
Have you been waxed before?
Do you know this? No.
Okay.
I'll puppy dogs.
Hi, puppies. Get.
Lay down.
Alright.
The light's gonna blind me.
That's good. It's a good thing. We're recording, so you might want to put your head up so you can see the viewers and the viewers can see you.
You're gonna edit this out anyway.
Maybe, maybe not. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video of mine. Today I have a guest on my channel, and it is my boyfriend. If you guys have never met him before, his first name is Emilio. Introduce yourself.
You just did.
Just say hi.
Hi, and this is Miss Macy.
Today I have a product that I'm going to review here on my channel today. I'm super thankful that it got sent to me. They contacted me via email. They wanted me to review their product and see how I liked it. Today I'm going to test it out on Emilio and we'll see how it goes.
Oh
gosh.
Big.
Say hi, Miss Macy.
Don't like cake it on there.
I'm not, Emilio. Emilio.
Is that gonna like burn my face?
No, Emilio. I'm letting it cool down before we do it.
Well, you never used it before. That's why you're reviewing it.
Okay, but I've used wax before. Not this wax. You realize I do this for a living, right?
No, you cut hair.
No, I wax people too.
Hot!
Is it?
Yeah!
Bullshit!
No, it's hot.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Are you lying?
It's dealable, but it's hot. This is gonna hurt. Don't get it in my mouth.
I'm not! And yes, it might hurt a little. Not that bad, but it's gonna be fine.
Way too hot.
Oh gosh. I'm sorry, babe. I'm trying so hard.
That's enough.
Oh, I know it is, Emilio. It has to be thick.
That's pretty thick. Rip it off like super fast, like a band-aid.
I have to make a tab.
Let me know when you're about to do it.
Okay. Are you regretting this decision?
Well, it feels like it's a part of my face.
Because it's a part of your face. Oh, I love it already. Oh my god. Okay, show the camera. We got a big ol' wax strip on there. Okay. So I do this for a living, guys. I'm licensed. I'm a cosmetologist.
Let me do it.
No, because then you're gonna do it slow.
No, I want to do it fast.
Do you want to do it?
I'll just rip it off.
Okay, fine.
Rip it off.
Do you want me to? Or do you...
Rip it off. Quick.
Okay. You can't be mad at me, because this...
Just get it over with, Mom.
You agreed to do it, okay?
Alright, go. Go fast.
Okay. I'm gonna count to 3. You want me to
Just
count?
do it. No, just do it.
Okay. I might have to do it in
Just do it!
Listen, I'm gonna have to do it in 2 sections, okay? So when I pull it, it's gonna stop like right here, and then I have to do the rest.
Whatever.
Okay. Oh god. I'm scared. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
1.
Don't count, just do it.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, that felt good. Is my mustache gone?
No! It picked up some, but not all of it. Yeah, I didn't get all of it.
Let me see.
I think it will focus right now. Oh, here it goes.
It's nothing but skin.
Nuh-uh, it's got hair on there. See? Yeah, it's got a good amount on there. Oh, look at me like that. What does that look for? So this side, the wax was a little too runny, I think. So we let it cool down a little bit and harden up. We're going to do this side. It didn't get all of the hair, but I got most of it. So we'll see how this side goes. Try to get it all in one swap.
It looks hot.
It's not hot. It's a lot cooler now. Look how thick it is compared to last time. It's not dripping. That's how it should be. See, is it hot?
Mm-hmm.
You're a liar.
Warm.
Yeah, it's supposed to be warm. It's not supposed to be hot. I hate this thing though. Like at work we have sticks and then you can just throw that stick away. But I have to keep reusing this thing. So this would be a pain in the butt. I would probably purchase like some sticks or something off Amazon if they have any. But yeah, I don't like this thing.
How long is it supposed to sit on my face?
Until it hardens. I make a little tab to be able to pull it. Other than that, the wax is pretty good, but I've worked with better, but this would be good for somebody that's not licensed and doesn't do this for a living and just wants to get like a couple hairs off their face or something at home. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
I'm surprised you're letting me do this. Can I wax your eyebrows?
No. That one sucked.
Love you. That's the last one I'll do, okay? Yeah, I didn't pick up a lot of hair. Cause that's still there.
That's because you globbed it on this side, most of it.
It was all right there. What you talking about, Willis?
No, I felt the heat hit from like here to here. And that's why it's not picking up the bottom.
He's not.
That one sucked.
Love you. That's the last one I'll do, okay? Yeah, I didn't pick up a lot of hair. Guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. With all jokes aside, I think this wax is pretty good. It works pretty decently. I think it'd be different if I didn't work with like other waxes on a daily basis. To know that this is a little bit like lower quality, but it's still pretty good. Like I said, it'd be pretty good for people who don't do it for a living and just want to use wax at home. I would definitely recommend to get different types of tools and not like a spatula that they have to use that over and over again. It is a pain in the butt and all the wax is stuck to it. So I would recommend to try and get like sticks or like what they use in the doctor's office, those like big ones if you want to do like more body waxing and stuff. But other than that, I would recommend it if I I would tell someone to buy it just to get different tools, but I believe it retails for like $40, I think. But I'll list their brand name in the description, so if you guys want to check it out, you guys are more than welcome. And don't forget to use Ebates to get money off and earn cash back for free. And I'll also leave that in the description. But other than that, that was it for today's video, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.